Hello, are you a YouTuber or a content creator and you want to achieve a fake background? My name is Peace Barak and I'll be showing you a simpler way on how to achieve the fake background like you've been seeing. You've probably been seeing some other videos on how to achieve fake background and all that, but I will give you apps you can use and you achieve that. The two major apps we'll be using are Pinterest and Capcut. So we head over to our Pinterest and look for a suitable background for our video. So I'll be using the blue-red neon background. That's what I will use for my own background. You can have your own, but I would prefer this. So I find it and I download my background. So we head over to the Capcut and we start by clicking on new project and finding our desired pic. That's the background we downloaded. That's what we'll be using. So we select them and we add it to the video. Then we go over to the ratio and find the perfect ratio. Since we are posting it on YouTube, we'll find the one for the YouTube. So we want to zoom in our background to fit in and we'll do this for all. You want your background to be in sync with the video, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to adjust the background to what I think is the length of the video. To remove background, you click on the video, then you go to cutout, then remove background. This will take a while, so you have to be patient. So remember that your background and your video needs to be in sync, and mine was not, so I had to arrange it. So after that, we're going to go to our next and last step, that's making the background blur. We'll do that by going to effects, clicking on video effect, then we'll search for blur. Yes, search for blur, and that's it. You click on blur, you can see the adjust there. You can either adjust it to the one you want, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to drag the blur from the beginning to the end of the video. You want to review your video and export, and voila, you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll be able to create your own fake backgrounds. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Ciao.